We've spotted the Signature Offset delivering superior printing across America. You see it there in all its glory. Very bright, crisp colors on the side. Defining sustainable printing at Signature Offset. There's the truck sitting in the parking lot. The driver most likely in shopping for some necessities here today at Walmart. The Signature Offset truck delivering superior printing across the United States of America. And there he goes. Whoa, he handles that Freightliner truck like he's been driving it all his life.